In today's video, we will learn how to remove video background. So let's jump into the timeline. Here is the background footage and this is the main video footage that I will remove this background. Drag this footage into the timeline, then go to the effect control panels and fix the size to frame. Now if I play the video, you will see the main video footage. In this time, go to the project panel and drag the background video footage into the timeline. I'll input 3 background here. Set the frame size. Then go to effect panel and search color key. Drag it the effect into the main video footage. Then go to the effect control panels and here you can see color key effect. Select drop icon and choose the color here. Then increase color tolerance. Now you will see the background has finished. If we need it, we will increase the feather value to it looks more smoother. In that case, I will decrease the feather value 0%. If I play the video, you will see the entire effect. To get more interesting editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video reach out.